So, hi, I'm Rob Austin. I need Yeti Tool because it's becoming apparent to me that I only have a finite number of fingers. There you go, you can use that. Now let's do it. Hi, I'm Rob Austin and I'm working with Speedworks Motorsport, which this year will be entering the British Touring Car Championship as Toyota Gazoo Racing UK. I am their driver coach and I manage some of the sponsorships deals within the team. My history with British Touring Car Racing is, I came into the championship in 2011. I raced in it for 8 years, multiple race winner. And then one year I had a little girl and my priorities changed, and now I'm the other side of the fence and actually quite enjoying it. The British Touring Car Championship is the UK's premier motorsport. It's known for being close, hard fought, rubbings racing, we like to get stuck in. Toyota Gazoo Racing with Speedworks this year they were the second highest point scorer during the second half of last year with Rory Butcher, and should be looking to challenge for the championship this year. Smart Bench came to my attention when a friend of mine came across it on Facebook. He sent me the link, and after looking through the extensive videos that are available on YouTube from Yeti Tool, it looked like a really good product. Base-wise, it was compact, and the ability to cut a full 4x8 sheet without requiring a 60-70 grand CNC was really appealing. This year we're going to be using it to make the splitters for the touring cars. They go through, well, if you're Rory, you'll go through 6 a weekend, 1 per session. Obviously they are a consumable item on the car, so but they need to be very precise. It's surprising how often I get asked about the splitter. People are surprised to see, is that plywood? But it's actually quite trick ply. It's definitely more expensive than just run-of-the-mill ply from local hardware shop. It's phenolic ply, and obviously it's precision cut. Each car will go through 15 to 20 splitters, including some wear and testing. So you'll go through more at some circuits, and then obviously it depends on how your racing's going. British Touring Car's known for a bit of argy-bargy, and sometimes the splitters are victims, so it gets changed. My experience of operating CNC machinery hands-on is none. So it's quite intimidating, but yeah, it's so intuitive. It's like using your phone, very easy to use. The interface is really good, and now we've done 1 cut. I'm not nervous at all about taking on other projects with it. Over the years, running teams and being involved in motorsport my whole life, I've had some experience along the way with CAD design software and stuff. VCarve is new to me, so I'm learning that, but I've got a decent teacher, so I'm sure I'll get to grips with it pretty quick. So obviously it's the product that initially drew me to Yeti Tool. I think it's a fantastic design, and the way the X-axis clamps together I think is really, really clever. But off the back of that, just seeing all the videos that you've got available, I think that's really actually quite unique. There's no one else who is giving a proper video guide like that. Then you look further into it and realise it's nearly entirely sourced and made in the UK, which is a nice feature, especially in current times. The splitter is massively important. We're nowhere near Formula 1 levels of downforce, but because our grid is so insanely closely fought, if you can gain an extra 1/10, that could be several positions. So the more of that lead edge of the splitter we've got exposed, the more downforce we're going to generate from it. However, our regulations determine how far out that can be. So if we're conservative and stay within the rules, we lose time. If we go over the rules, we're kicked out. So it's really important that that is precise and right on that limit of legality and accurate, So having the Smart Bench will be a considerable saving for the team financially. It will mean they can do an extra test day or two, getting a bit more R&D into the car, and she helped them win races.